Welcome artists to Monet Cafe Studio and the month of February for this new monthly theme announcement. I'm calling it Sunshine in February. And that's not just because I live in sunny Florida, which is kind of cold today, but it's because this month I will be featuring pastel painting tutorials using my Fields of Sunshine set that I have curated through Earth Berry Pastels. Now, I'm very excited to bring you these tutorials this month, but there's more excitement. I'm having a giveaway, and one lucky winner could win this set of pastels, and it's super easy to enter. All you have to do to enter to win is to watch a video I have on YouTube that's airing on February 1st, which may be when you're seeing this video. It's a product reveal and unboxing, going into why I chose the colors. I think you'll really love the video. And just leave a comment on the YouTube video just saying why you would like to win the set. And I'll be doing a random drawing from all of those comments and choose one lucky winner and announce the winner on February 11th. And this contest is for US citizens only. But I think that everyone's going to enjoy the lessons this month. And I know many of you already have the set because when Earth Berry made them available, a month or more ago, you guys bought them out. Thank you very much for that. But they've made more. So be sure to check out earthberrypastels.com, get your set, and they have a coupon code where you can get 10% off if you use the code Susan10Art, all caps, at checkout. So check it out. I'm excited about this month. I think you're going to feel warm in the month of February. And as always, God bless and happy painting.